The benefits of sleeping the right hours. Many people try to make big changes in their lives by joining a gym, doing yoga, and eating healthy, but forgetting that taking advantage of the hours of sleep is almost as important or more than the sum of all the others. Sleeping well has become something very rare these days, and we also become more vulnerable to illnesses and psychological disorders. All this contributes to the formation of a vicious circle. The less we sleep, the less healthy we are, and the less healthy we are, the less we sleep. There are several health benefits, both physical and mental, that sleep well has. We will see them in the next few minutes. Improves physical resistance. Restful sleep causes us to regenerate at night. This means that when we wake up we will have greater aerobic resistance. It creates muscle mass overnight, recovering the tissues that have been damaged during the day, and this makes the muscle fibers harder. It protects memory during the REM phase of sleep. Neural connections are repaired as well as the hippocampus, which is where our memory is stored. Improves academic performance. According to the previous point, since improving our memory improves our intellectual performance. Improve attention. Children or adults who sleep less than 8 hours often have attention problems, as well as being more distracted and impulsive. It makes us more attractive. When we sleep well, we have a more attractive appearance as well as looking healthier. The opposite happens when we don't sleep enough, then undesirable dark circles appear. During sleep, many things are repaired, such as the immune system, which regenerates at night to protect us from toxins and microorganisms. Avoid gaining weight. The less you sleep, the less leptin, which is the appetite-suppressing hormone, is released, and yet the stomach releases ghrelin, which is the appetite-inducing hormone. Protects from diabetes. When you don't get enough sleep, the body begins to lose the ability to control blood glucose, contributing to diabetes. Protects the heart. If we don't get enough sleep, we can have cardiovascular problems, increasing blood pressure and heart rate, hence the importance of getting enough sleep, that is, 7 to 9 continuous hours. With this we increase the chances of suffering organ damage, amputations, blindness, and strokes. Protects the skin. If we do not sleep adequately, we can suffer from skin problems. With a lack of sleep, the skin weakens to the point that if we sunbathe, the ultraviolet rays can produce melanomas. Reduces stress. By getting enough sleep, the body can carry out its repair and regeneration tasks, which is why the body can produce melanin and serotonin, which are hormones that counteract the effects of stress hormones, adrenaline, and cortisol. If you liked this video, please subscribe, leave me a like and share with your friends if you think it can help them.